Let's talk about quick fixes. As you have heard me to say before, quick fixes certainly have their place. And most of us are adept at quick fixes, whether at work, at home, or at school. We know how to find a quick solution to keep a project on schedule, get dinner on the table, even if we are home at late, or catch up on a class we may have missed. But short-term fixes have long-term consequences. I met with a Fortune 100 executive who proudly detailed to me how a problem he had solved saved his company millions of dollars. So I told him that was a great news and she should be proud, and that's pretty amazing. His bonus was directly impacted by how much money he saved his organization. Makes sense, right? Not so fast. This guy benefited handsomely and personally. His quick fix was not a long-term solution, and in the long run may end up costing the organization revenue when his quick fix needs to be fixed again. This guy was incented to fix the problem quickly, not permanently. And you can see the conflict and why that's a problem. When I questioned him about whether his quick fix could guarantee he did not create another problem down the road, he smiled and told me that he would deal with that when and if necessary. It was likely this executive would earn another bonus for solving a problem he created. So I asked him if he would again claim to have generated millions of dollars of savings and thus be eligible for another bonus if the second problem was caused by his solution to the first problem. Radio silence. He did not respond. He was no longer smiling. Again, don't get me wrong. There is a rush when you can put out a raging fire and become a hero. But just like a pyromaniac who starts fires and so he can then put them out, when you don't resolve to solve a challenge the right way, you are part of the problem, not part of the solution. Resolve is about fire prevention, not being an instant hero.